Hi, it's Greg from Traxda again. It's Friday. It's time for another whiteboard explanation of why things are the way they are around Traxda. A question I got this week is, why do you guys have so many Chevy kits? So that's a good question. And if you look at our catalog, we have, I think, a dozen kits. I'll try and write them down right here, and we'll see how good my memory is. We started out with the 40-60-10 kit, which we came out with in 2007. It was for the new platform. Chevy had changed to a strut on their trucks at that point. And we quickly saw that what we would need for a Suburban was going to be totally different than what we would need for a pickup truck. There's such a variation in how the trucks sat. You know, the rake of them, the long wheelbase versus short wheelbase, big engine versus small engine, you know, crew cab versus standard cab, or SUV versus pickup. That we couldn't just choose one solution. And so we came out with a set of, we call them rad symbols in-house, 3 big washers basically up on top of the strut, and the C-shaped thing that went on the bottom of the strut. And this let you have 1, 2, 3, 4 different height variations, which would account for the many different variations that GM was putting out. And of course, nothing can stay the same and be left alone, so here we go. The 40-60-10 got the 40-60-35 for the front and rear on the Chevy 1500 4x4 pickup trucks. So we take out the stock block and we have to put in a larger block. And then after a while, we made the 40-60, I'm losing my part numbers here, 40-60-12?
30s.
No, the SUV kit.
Then yeah.
So that was for the Tahoe, which I drive a Tahoe. And then after a while, we decided to redesign the kit and make it easier to install, better value, and changed it around a bit. So we came up with the 40-60-20, and then the 21, 22, and 23, and then the 40-60, 25, 26, 27, 28, and then people kept asking for more, so then we came up with the 29, which is even bigger. So what these really mean is, your 40-60-20 is a pair of these, which are just the standard C. We made them higher now than in the past. We still sell the 40-60-10 for people that have them in their catalog systems and for people that have stock, but we'd really rather you switch over to the newer part numbers. The newer part numbers are less expensive also. And with the 40-60-20, you have your choice of the 40-60-21 is with 1 spacer, the 40-60-22 is with 2 spacers, the 40-60-23 is with 3 spacers. And that gives you a bunch of choice. The only headache is, not every vehicle will take every plate. So you should be pre-warned that if you're buying something like the 40-60-29 kit for your Chevy half-ton 4x4, you're going to get 3 plates, the big bottom C, a 2-inch lift in the back, shock brackets in the back. And with those 3 plates, you may not be able to put all 3 of them into your truck. So just a forewarning, it is an adjustment spacer. If you end up with a couple plates left over, you can sell them to your neighbor or save them for the next truck, whatever you want. After that, we have the 3/4 ton GM products, the 40-50-40, which later turned also into the 40-50-41, the 40-50-45, and 46, and 47, and 48 for all the variations in rear U-bolts and diesel, overload springs and dually. And at the end of the day, if you're confused, just give us a call. We're happy to explain it all to you. Or if you want to play safe than sorry, better safe than sorry, you can start with the small kit, the 40-60-20, and build up later if you want. Or start with the big kit and put in what you feel like having. As always, give me a call if you want, 888-660-5892. I'm on extension 8. My name's Greg. Thanks for watching.